In this video, you will learn how to fix the Android package installer not working. The package installer is an important tool on your Android device. It helps you install apps and updates smoothly. When it has problems, you might not be able to download or update apps from the Google Play Store or other sources. This can be frustrating, but don't worry, I will guide you through some simple steps to get it working again. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right. Once you're on the settings page, scroll down until you find apps. Tap on it. Next, look for the filter and sort icon in this section. Tap on it and toggle on the switch next to Show System Apps. Then press OK. Now, tap on the search button at the top right corner of your screen. Type in Package Installer and hit Search. Select Package Installer from the search results. This will take you directly to its app info page. On this page, start by tapping Force Stop. This action will halt any ongoing processes that might be causing issues. Next, scroll down a bit and tap on Storage. Here, select Clear Data. A confirmation prompt will appear. Tap Delete to confirm this action. Once you've cleared the data, it's time to restart your device. Hold down your power button until a menu appears, then select Restart. After restarting your device, check if your problem has been resolved. If you're still experiencing issues with app installations after these steps, make sure that you are using the latest version of Android available for your device. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.